If you need to turn off two-factor authentication on your Robinhood accounts, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated correctly. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage various features. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Security section within the account settings. Tap on it to access your security preferences, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on it and you will see an option to disable it. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to turn off this feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off on your Robinhood account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and being cautious with your login information.